In today's topic, we're going to talk about cleaning, scrubbing, and polishing your list for healthy open rates. Now, healthy open rates is super crucial and important in your business. Strategies, mindset, anything that's going to help us to increase the income of our business. Guys, why do I emphasize so much on open rates? Very simple reason, right? If you have the biggest list on earth, right? Let's say your list size is like 50 million, right? Let's say, but if your open rate, let's say, is 0.0001%, right? What good is that to have a 50 million size list? What good would that do? Nothing, right? So the point that I'm trying to make here is that no matter how big your list is, if your open rates suck, there's no point in running a business. You're not going to get a commission, right? You're not going to be able to get people opening your emails, and then where is the sales going to come from, right? So it's not so much of having the biggest list size, but it's more of having how many people opening your emails and actually reading them. Why should I clean my list if it reduces my subscriber count, right? So if this whole game is about building a subscriber list size to a huge amount, then why do you want to clean your list? Because essentially cleaning your list means eliminate your subscribers from your list. And that's counterproductive of you trying to build your list, right? But let me explain why you must do this, okay? So cleaning your list improves overall deliverability. So that is actually the main concern that we have right now. Because in this email business, if you are to build a sustainable email list, this email list is going to sustain you for a lifetime, right? As long as you keep those leads coming in. Now, if your autoresponder puts you on the blacklist, let's say it puts your IP on the blacklist, then whatever that you do, whatever efforts that you try to do to grow your list becomes counterproductive, right? So the first and foremost reason why we want to clean our list is because of this. We want to be put on the best sender's IP address, right? In the autoresponder that we are in, okay? So I'll explain that later, but that's the first reason. Second reason is we want to remove the inactive subscribers from our list. Okay, because if these guys are not clicking, if these guys are not opening, they are just taking up space in our autoresponder, and we are paying for that space. Does it make sense? So why do we want to keep these guys in our list if they are not opening? Number one, they are taking up space in our autoresponder. We are paying for them, and number two, it reflects badly for us in terms of our open rates, right? Because these guys take up space, right? And in terms of percentages, it's not helpful to us, right? So we want to remove them. The third reason, right, is we want to remove unwanted bot or spam traps. Okay, I'm going to go more into detail what that is. And the last reason, right, for us to clean our list is because we want to suppress, or I would say we want to blacklist all these spam trap email addresses. Okay, so in this training, I'm going to go through with you guys how to identify these spam traps, or I would say what can you do to remove these spam traps and to put them into the blacklist. Okay, now like I mentioned, all these that we are doing leads back to the first reason over here. Okay, we are doing this because we want to get into the good books of our autoresponder. Okay, so how autoresponder works is this. Okay, if they have got tons of IP addresses in there, and all these IP addresses have got different reputation in them. So there's got the best reputable IP address where almost every email that you send from that IP goes into somebody's inbox. Almost everything, it goes into not only the inbox, but it goes into the main inbox. Right now, guys, okay, I'm going to tell you the rules of list cleaning. All right, so the first rule that I have is I execute my list cleaning once every 30 days, right? Once every 30 days, okay? Why do I put it at 30 days? Is because to me, I'm actually quite aggressive, right? In terms of keeping my open rates high. 30 days is a month. That means that if someone opts into your list, right, and for the next 30 days, from today, okay, I mean the last 30 days from today, if this person did not open a single email, right, this person is out. This person is gone, right? I'm going to remove this person from my list because it just tells me that, this guy is not serious in wanting to find out more what kind of services or offers that I'm promoting. It can't be the fact that you don't open any emails in 30 days, right? It's either you're not serious enough, or it's either the email address is a fake email address. It's either you're not receiving my emails due to bounces, right? Secondly, what I do is every 90 days, so every 3 months, I would use a list cleaning service that I will pay for, right, to clean my list. Okay, I'm going to share that with you later, how you're going to get access to all this stuff, right? And last of all, that is to engage the inactive list. Now, this one is a little bit more advanced, so I would say that's I won't be touching this for today. It's a whole new topic altogether. But this is also I would say is optional. Okay, it's not necessary. It's optional to try to re-engage the inactive list. Right now, I would say the more crucial ones are the first 2 points, because that's where the health of your list is been determined. It's determined by the first two actions that you're going to take. Right. So those are my rules, guys. You might want to take them down, okay? Pen them down somewhere, right? Guys, my code to you, my final code is: the health of your email list determines the health of your business. All right, so you want to make sure that your email list is always clean. You make sure that open rate is always high. And if you take care of it, it will take care of you, okay? And that's my code.